Hey guys, how you guys doing today?
Good.
All right, I'm glad everybody's doing good today. So
Me
today,
too.
what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be learning about skipping. For those of you who don't really know what skipping is something we use to have fun, just a regular activity that we use to exercise, have fun. If you guys seen Wizard of the Oz, they skip down the yellow brick road all together. So I'm gonna give you guys a little demonstration first about what really skipping is, break it down for you a little bit better so you guys can understand. And then after that, we're gonna start by giving each other enough room. We're gonna spread out amongst the gym, and then we're just gonna start skipping in general space. So the demonstration is, you wanna start off by putting one foot in front of the other. You wanna start off by jumping off that one foot, and it's like we're gonna reach for the sky. We're gonna continue. We're gonna come down on the opposite leg. We're just gonna keep on going. Keep on going throughout the gym. Just gonna keep skipping. So right now, if I could just have you guys give me enough room, just spread out for me, and at the sound of the whistle, we can start. Alright guys, as I saw you guys skipping around the gym, I saw a couple common errors that a lot of people seem to have when it comes to skipping when it's their first time coming around. One of the common errors I see with you guys is, you guys are not really bringing your knees up high enough. It's not like you guys are coming up. You guys gotta bring your knee up. Bring both knees up. Another common error that I see with you guys is, a lot of you guys are skipping with the right foot, coming back down, and you're going again with the same foot. It's one fluid motion. You want to come up with the knee that you're bringing up high, you want to come back down with it, and you're going to do the same thing. Bring the opposite knee up high, guys, all right? So what I'm going to have you guys do now is, we're going to do somewhat like the same thing. I'm going to have you guys spread out again, give each other enough room. But now this time, we're going to be skipping around the gym in an open space, but now this time what we're going to do is, at the sound of my whistles, you're going to start skipping a little faster. Then when you hear my whistle again, we're going to slow it down. So now we're just going to be varying speeds while skipping, just to make things a little bit more difficult for you guys, all right? So let's start by lining up. At the sound of the whistle, go. At the sound of the second whistle, we're going to be speeding it up. And at the sound of the third whistle, we're going to be slowing it down, all right, guys? All right, guys, you guys did a great job today. Before we leave, I'm going to line you guys up. I'm going to have you guys come out one by one and show me how to skip real quick. I just want to make sure you guys are getting it down. And then, after that, we could just go out and have a great time, all right? Thank you, guys.